Here is a wonderful 2021 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. The Equinox delivers advanced safety features, family-friendly passenger comfort, technology that keeps you connected and entertained, ample cargo space, and sculpted styling. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, premium sound system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, power driver seat. Enjoy the journey in the capable and comfortable Equinox. Drive it today.